The Secret of Happiness Part 1. Hello folks. I am Sahil. Welcome to your favorite channel. Has this ever happened to you? You open the fridge, look for something inside, find nothing, and close the fridge. And 5 minutes later, you go back and open the fridge again, hoping that gulab jamuns might have suddenly manifested inside. The same thing has happened with happiness in our lives. We are searching for it outside, constantly refreshing, but we keep getting the same message: happiness not found. Today, we are starting our new series, The Secret of Happiness, and today is part 1. You might say, Sahil, have you become a Baba now? No way, man. I am just a simple guy. But tell me, if we can learn complex coding, why not the simple algorithm of happiness? Come on, let's decode this today. Look, if we speak in the language of science, happiness is nothing but a chemical reaction in our brain. You've heard words like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, right? We think happiness is a destination. We think, when I get a package of 10 locks, then I will be happy. Or when I buy that new car, then I will be happy. Does the joy you feel on the very first day of buying a new mobile stay the same after 6 months? No, right? After 6 months, that same mobile starts feeling like an old box, and we start running after a new model. We have trapped happiness inside an if-then. Looped out if new iPhone then happy. But friends, this code itself is wrong. This is a bug. So then, what is the first and most important secret of happiness? It is living in the present. Spirituality and quantum physics also say the same thing. The past is memory data, and the future is just a prediction. What is real is only now. What do we do? Either we are stuck in the backup files of old memories, or we get scared in the simulation of the future. You are watching this video right now. You have a phone in your hand. You are breathing. Maybe you are feeling hungry, or the Veda you ate earlier is digesting. All of this is real. Is there any problem in this very moment? 99% of the time, there's no problem in this moment. The problem is only created due to overheating in our mind's processor. You don't need to achieve something to be happy. Being happy is your default setting, just like a new phone runs fast. Later we installed so many bloatware apps of worry, jealousy, and competition that the system has hung. Okay, enough knowledge. Now what to do practically? In today's first part, I'm going to tell you a small hack. For the next 24 hours, whenever you feel stressed or sad, ask yourself one question. Right now, at this very second, what is lacking in my life? Most of the time the answer will be, nothing. Are you stuck in traffic? Okay, getting late is the tension of the future. But right now, you are safe in the car. You can listen to songs. Change this perspective. Happiness is not something to be downloaded from outside. It is inbuilt inside. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.